Management via browser application. This may sound complicated, but it makes central data administration of your practice easier than ever. VisionU includes a central browser application that lets all practice data be recorded, saved, managed and updated. The application generates passwords and QR codes. It imports new patient images into the central database. It imports the patient entertainment films, and above all, it sets up the hygiene plan if you wish to deviate from the recommended default setting. To access the application, open an internet browser on any PC in your practice network. Enter the IP address of your system in VisionU. Now a user interface opens that prompts you to enter your password. The factory setting for user is Ultradent and for password Ultradent. These can be changed as desired. On the Data Management Start screen, VisionU offers 5 main categories: Overview, Management, Hygiene, Settings and Maintenance. On the left you see the Logout button, which lets you exit the application. Clicking the Overview category shows you how your treatment unit is configured by displaying all instruments, modules and units. The Management button opens an extensive list of submenus. In the Planning submenu, you can prepare pending treatment appointments. To do this, select the practitioner, patient and assistant. Then tap Apply to enter your specifications in the VisionU system of the treatment units. There, VisionU can personally welcome the patient at his appointment if desired. All data and images on individual patients are stored in the central database. You have access to them at all times during the current treatment session. Under the Appointments menu item, VisionU provides a complete overview of all previous appointments. The list is organized according to date, length, treatment focus, practitioner, patient and a short description. You can sort the list in various manners. An important menu point is the item Personal. It lets you define profiles for all active practitioners and assistants in your practice. These profiles can be adapted or changed when necessary. When you first enter a new employee by clicking Add, the system automatically assigns him a QR code. This can be conveniently printed out and worn on clothing as internal practice identification. The next sub-item is Master Data. This area is where all patient data are stored, edited and commented on. The data range from name, address and date of birth to patient photos that you can make with your intraoral camera. If desired, you can also automatically generate QR codes here. Your entries can all be saved, printed or cancelled. The Patient Images menu item brings you directly to the central archive of all saved dental images. Simply enter the patient's name and date of birth to immediately view all of his images. If the patient brings new images made elsewhere, these can be easily saved using the Import sub-item. Keywords and additional information can be assigned to individual images. The last submenu item is the Statistics button. It enables you to easily create useful evaluations of your patient structure, practice utilization and other aspects. Back to the menu on the Start screen. In the Hygiene category, VisionU bundles all functions that are decisive for the quality management of your practice. This is where you enter the central hygiene configuration of your treatment unit. You can either accept the factory default settings, which comply with the specifications made by the Robert Koch Institute and are recommended by Ultradent, You can also adapt the default settings to your individual practice. Vision U gives you the option of making plans and steps. The sub-item Logs documents all hygiene measures in detail. The Settings menu on the Start screen provides you with a list of all basic system settings. It gives you a clearly structured, intuitive overview in which you can customize and change the basic settings if necessary. The sub-item Unit, for example, displays the current settings of your treatment unit. The position of the unit status can be placed either on the left or right of the screen. The Video sub-item lets you upload prepared films for your Vision U patient entertainment.